Nothing like a nice hot shower. Wait a minute. What the hell is that? Is that a camera? YouTube? What the hell are you doing in here? This is my bedroom. I'm trying to get dressed. You guys are in my bedroom. This is not cool. This is not cool. I feel violated. Oh well, time to go play in the snow. Made you look. You guys are gay. Alright, now let's hit that intro and throw a dip in.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned down low, let it snow.
Hey, what's up guys? It's NY Dipper 88. As you can see, I am ready to go out into this. Right there. See all that? Last night, it snowed forever. It snowed overnight all the way into this morning. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. But that's how deep the snow is. My landlord was nice enough to shovel my path to my apartment, which is kind of cool. But that's got to be over a foot. That's some crazy shit. That's the second snowstorm we've had in the last couple of weeks. I got stuck in the truck in the first one. But I haven't been outside yet. And I haven't seen how much snow the truck's under. So we're going to go check this out. Come on. Well, maybe I should unlock the door first. Make sure I don't get any dripping icicles on my camera here. It's not even that cold out, really. I already got my dip in, as you can see. Right there. Little Copenhagen wintergreen. Oh, yeah. Oh, the truck is covered. Guys, I'm back. So, as you can see, there's the truck. Right there. Covered in fucking snow. I got my buddy over here with the plow. He's going to try and plow me out a little bit. This is some nasty shit. I can't even get into the door of the truck. No good, man. What's up, bro? This is nasty. Alright, guys. He came through with the plow and got some of this stuff out. So I'm going to try and dig this out. This ain't going to be fun. But I got my dip in, so it's gonna be alright. So, that's it, man. Fucking crazy. Look at the snow. Unbelievable. The whole street, everything is fucking covered, man. Fucking New York. Alright, guys. I'll catch you later. Alright, so we fucking attached a rope to the front of the truck. I'll show you guys. Something's up with the four-wheel drive of my truck. Shit ain't working right. Alright. Right there on the tow hooks there. I can pull that shit right out. Alright, just gonna plow. They plowed every other block. You see, they plowed every other block except for my fucking block. Every other block, my block. It's just ridiculous. This happened with the last storm too. We were the last block to get plowed. Unfucking real. But the mailman's still delivering mail. So that's cool. How's it going, man? Alright. The mail never stops. Alright. I just wanted to show you guys what we're dealing with here in New York real quick. And there's the fucking shit right there. Unbelievable. So, I'm gonna cut this clip here. I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, what's going on? NY Dipper 88. Hope you enjoyed the clips from the snow and all that stuff. I was gonna put that in my Mud Jug unboxing video, which isn't up yet. It will be very shortly, I promise. But I figured I didn't want it to be too long, and I wanted the Mud Jug unboxing video to be strictly that. So it's just a little clip of the snow and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and all that awesome stuff. Alright, I'm out of here. Just remember to keep dipping and spitting black. Later.